Welcome. If you want to add screen lock in your PlayStation Vita, at first you have to go for the settings. Next you have to scroll down and go for the security, pick screen lock. Right now you can enter the passcode. I'm gonna set very common 1, 2, 3 and 4, and right now we have to re-enter with the same one. And there it is. Right now when I'm gonna lock my device and try to unlock, I have to input the passcode. And there it is. Also, you are able to change the passcode by going right here for this option. Right now, I'm gonna honestly just get rid of that option, so I'm gonna turn off the passcode. And that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.